It is a celebration of a remarkable milestone. This year, our Cebu Wedding Expo proudly marks its 10th anniversary, making history as the biggest and long-standing hotel-based wedding expo in the Visayas. This achievement we share to every couple, every partner, and every person who has been part of our journey. You know, a decade deserves nothing less than something extraordinary, and that is exactly what we prepared. This year, we are celebrating everything in tens. Intense and intense, the number 10. 10 amazing years, 10 industry icons, and 10 exciting giveaways. On September 4th, we begin with the brilliance in every detail. Our grand opening featuring Cebu's finest wedding suppliers. And for the first time in our 10-year history, we are offering, take note of this, we are offering free exhibit rental to all our exhibitors. Now that is a gesture of gratitude to the industry who has supported us all throughout the years. Our main goal is to create the perfect mix of suppliers so every engaged couple can find everything in one destination. So a round of applause to our partners and exhibitors. Additionally, from September 4 to 6, every booking brings couples one step closer to winning incredible prizes that will help complete their dream wedding. Imagine winning your wedding rings, a bridal car, bridal styling, a romantic honeymoon staycation, a dress-up experience, photo and video coverage, your photo booth package, a grazing table, or a coffee cart, full coordination, and other production services. And because sabi nga nila, 10 years is truly worth celebrating, we are giving away the biggest prize in Cebu Wedding Expo history. You know what that is? Hindi pa, kasi sasabihin ko pa. One lucky couple will receive a free wedding package from Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino with venue and banquet all in. Wow, thank you so much, Sir Ali. That's 100-person reception wedding package all in. You heard that right? So your dream wedding, our couple's dream wedding, would become a reality absolutely for free. Now this opportunity is open to every couple who books with any of our exhibitors or our hotel during the 3-day expo. So they will be entitled to winning these prizes, may they be booking to our dear exhibitors or the hotel packages. But you know what? Our celebration isn't only about looking ahead. On September 5th, we will proudly recognize 10 notable Cebu wedding industry icons whose dedication have helped shape the Cebu wedding industry into what it is today. Your contributions have inspired countless celebrations of love, and it is only fitting that we celebrate them as part of this milestone. So how about a round of applause to our wedding planners, our wedding suppliers, our partners. And on September 6th, one of our most anticipated events returns. The Weddings at the Waterfront Fashion Show. Once again, in partnership with Diagold and because Mother Carrie Santiago, one of the country's internationally acclaimed designers, will be heading this fashion show, transforming the Atlantic Hall, the one at the second floor, into a spectacular fashion runway showcasing breathtaking bridal creations. How about a round of applause for Carrie Santiago and Diagold? Now, as you look around tonight, what you see is only a glimpse of what awaits this September. The best is yet to come. To our valued partners, members of the media, Mayor, who continues to believe in our vision, thank you. Thank you for being part of this incredible story. Your trust and support have made this milestone possible. And on behalf of the management of Waterfront Hotels and Casinos, I would like to say in advance, congratulations, Waterfront Cebu City, our flagship property, GM Ali and his entire team for the success of the 10th edition of the Cebu Wedding Expo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to celebrate with us and witness the biggest Cebu Wedding Expo we would have ever presented. I will see you all this September for the Cebu Wedding Expo 2026 Weddings at the Waterfront.